Hello, little friends. Today, Max the puppy is visiting a happy little town. The town has houses, trees, parks, shops, and lots of fun things to explore. Today, Max is learning about up and down. Can you help him? Let's go! Max starts his adventure in the town square. Suddenly, he sees a bright red balloon. The balloon floats up into the sky. Higher, higher, higher. The balloon goes up. Up, balloon. Then Max looks down. He sees a little flower growing beside the sidewalk. The flower is down near the ground. Down, flower. Max walks to the playground. A little girl swings up into the air. Whoosh! Then she swings down again. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down swing. Next, Max sees a bird. The bird flies up above the rooftops. Flap, flap, flap. The bird goes up. Up, bird. Then the bird lands down on a fence. Now the bird is down. Down, bird. Max visits the town fountain. The water shoots up high into the air. Splash, splash, splash. Up, water. Then the water falls down into the fountain. Down, water. Max walks past a fire station. A firefighter climbs up a tall ladder. Up, 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 ladder. Then the firefighter climbs down. Step, 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 down, ladder. Max reaches a small hill in the park. He runs up the hill. Run, run, run. Up the hill. Then Max rolls down the hill. Whee! Down the hill. Let's help Max remember. Up, balloon. Down, flower. Up, swing. Down, swing. Up, bird. Down, bird. Up, fountain water. Down, fountain water. Up, ladder. Down, ladder. Up, hill. Down, hill. Great job! Now it's your turn. Can you raise your hands up? Way up high? Now put your hands down. Wonderful! Today Max learned that some things go up and some things go down. Thank you for helping Max explore the little town. See you next time for another fun learning adventure with Max the puppy. Goodbye, little friends. Woof, woof.
Max the puppy's in the town, looking all around. Lots of things to see today. Come and learn and play. Up and down, all around the little town. Up and down, come and see. Let's learn with Max happily. A red balloon goes up so high, floating, floating in the sky. A little flower on the ground, tooting, down below can still be found. Up and down, all around the little town. the grassy hill, running fast with lots of thrill. Then rolls down and laughs all day, learning while he plays. Up and down, all around the little town. Balloon